Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on a vibrant journey into the enchanting world of Bohemian decors. In this video, we will take you on a captivating adventure through the art of creating your very own Boho Chic Oasis at home. Embrace Bohemian freedom. Boho decor is all about celebrating your unique spirit and embracing our carefree eclectic styles. We will show you how to infuse your space with the freedom and creativity that define Boho Chic. Nature's influences. Dive into the lush world of Bohemian decor inspired by nature. From hanging plants to earthy textures, we will help you bring the outdoors in and create a haven of relaxation. Colorful expression. Explore the vibrant color palettes that is a hallmark of Boho Chic. We will guide you to mixing and matching bold hues to create a explosion of color that feels truly alive. Cozy comfort. Discover how to layer textures, cushions and throws to achieve the perfect Bohemian comfort zone. We will discuss the art of creating a space that invites you to unwind and recharge. Boho accessories. Learn about the magical effect of boho accessories like dream catchers, macrame, and unique trinkets. These pieces add a unique touch of mystique and personality to your decor. Dye boho projects. Feeling crafty? We will share some fun dye boho decors project that you can easily tackle at home. Get ready to infuse your space with your own artistic flair. Join us on this mesmerizing journey as we explore the world of Bohemian decor and help you create a space that reflects your free spirit and artistic soul. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring